Good thing I got this baby. A couple of those. First aid, fire extinguisher. Have 3 fire extinguishers. Gonna fill those up with some fresh water. Multiple amounts of fresh water. We have been pumping in empty bottles and whatever bottles we could find, plus the water that we purchased and was able to secure emergency getaway bike for whatever reason. Oh, an emergency getaway truck with multiple gas options, diesel, fresh, whatever. Neighbor across the street supplied some sand. Thumbs up for him. He's awesome. All the neighbors seem to be trying to get it together here. There's one thing about a hurricane that's funny, or any type of oncoming or natural disaster that's on its way. The neighbors get to know you better, especially after you help them out and they help you, quid pro quo. Good and sealed up there with some 3-inch Tapcons. Might be able to watch the video surveillance for a little while until the power's dead. That is south. Looking about southeast right there, where it's coming from.